That boy got a SCAT. That boy, what's good, bro? Dang. Bro, this is Ephraim's brand new, what is it, 2023? 2023 SCAT pack, boy, the wide body. Damn. That boy got a wide body. He came in today. He just got it yesterday. That boy got the big cert brakes. He got the big brakes. He got the big tires. He got the wide body. Body wide. Oh, he popped the, ooh, boy. Oh, yup. Last call badge, boy. Yup. Said he wanted to take the bananas off, so we gonna do that today. We gonna take these off right now. We untaping this boy's whip. Oh, it's satisfying. Got it? Oh, yup, he broke something. Bro, do you got it?
I think.
You press it. You press it.
Bruh.
Yeah, there you go. Unpeel it. Unpeel it. It's like a brand new iPhone. Yeah. These came off. You want them? I do not. Let's do the little walk around though. Yeah. Damn, you got a remote start? Oh, co-start, co-start, co-start. It's not cold because he was running it, but watch. Alright, so we came to Target. Today is what's today? I don't even know. Today is Sunday. So yep, we chilling with the boys today. Checked out. We came to Target, seeing what's gonna happen. David needed an SD card, I think, so that's what we're gonna do. Where are they at though? Oh, they're literally on the other side.
What's good, everybody? Right here, you know, al cienazo, con su compa, Grupo Red, Instagram, right there. Just saying, man. Just saying.
Just saying, tap in.
Just saying, tap in. Let me know.
What's good with you, Hans?
What's up, guys?
Boy, what the? That's an out. That's an out. That's an out. It's on this side. It's on this side. It's on this side. David, we got your camera to work?
Yeah, man. It took forever, man. Let me
Move
know.
your head.
Let me know who needs this, man. I'm the real player right here, man. Tap in
How
with
much?
me.
How much?
1K.
Damn. Boy, what are you doing?
Bro, this pic is hard, bro. This pic is hard. You missed it, bro.
You missed
Okay,
it.
I'm really a photographer out here, bro. You gotta go like this.
You gotta take a picture of the young kid.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Your bro got half of the hood.
Someone put me on David's back.
Is your Mustang, David?
2015, man.
It's a 2015 Mustang.
50-year edition.
50-year edition. 5.0.
It's a young kid. It's a young kid, man. I gotta take the hands pictures.
He got the tints on the headlights.
I gotta take them off. Checking out the cameraman. You know, we started vlogging today. My first vlog.
Oh man.
You know, just right here copying Steven's flow.
He copied my whole flow! Word for word, bar for bar!
We gonna both make it out the hood.
We gonna make it out
Except
the
none of
hood.
us are gonna make it out the hood.
We're going out the hood, man.
Peace out, David.
Alright, take care, man.
Catch you, bro. Peace out, Hans.
Put another way.
And so ends tonight. I gotta ride with Juan today because my car is still down. Oh wow, it started to rain. Oh man, open the door. Oh yep, we gonna die. Yep. Alright, then we gonna go home right now. I hope in one piece. Like I said, I hope in one piece. Alright, then I appreciate you. Peace out, bro. Why'd you give me this hand? Alright, peace out, bro. Alright, peace out, dog. Peace out, bro. Drive safe. Catch you later. Man, my car's broke right now, so I can't even using. But I turned it on today. Hopefully I get the white pipe soon, because that's all I need. I need a white pipe and then my car should be straight. So update on the white pipe. So today I want to go buy a new white, well, not a new white pipe, a used white pipe, but this one seems to be pretty decent and it was pretty cheap, and it also has resonators, so we won't sound like a tin can anymore, because mine's had no resonator. So if we look down here, all I have to do is take off this bolt, and 2 more bolts up there, and then I gotta take this off, and then it should be able to drop, and then pull it out, and then I gotta put this one in, and I have to go take this to get welded so I can try to weld this on. But drop it, go. So the white pipe is off. Now all we have to do is put the new one in and see if it works right properly. But look at that. I was looking for my ear.